If you're worried that your Yahoo Mail account may have been hacked, this video will help you spot the warning signs fast. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the most important things to check so you can tell whether someone else may have gotten into your account. Knowing these signs early can help you act quickly, protect your messages, and secure your account before more damage is done. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, open your Yahoo Mail inbox and take a careful look at your sent folder. One of the clearest signs of a hacked account is seeing emails that you do not remember sending. If there are messages in your sent folder that look unfamiliar, contain links you didn't share, or were sent to people you don't recognize, that is a major red flag. Next, check for login alerts from unknown locations or devices. Yahoo may notify you if your account is accessed from a new browser, device, or location. If you see a sign-in alert that doesn't match your activity, especially one from a country, city, or device you've never used, your account may have been compromised. Another thing to inspect is your recovery information. Look at the recovery email address and phone number on your account settings. If those have been changed, removed, or replaced with information you don't recognize, that could mean someone else has altered your account to lock you out. You should also look for missing or deleted emails. If important messages have disappeared, folders look empty, or emails you know were there before are suddenly gone, a hacker may have accessed your mailbox and deleted them. This is especially concerning if the missing emails include security alerts, account recovery messages, or personal conversations. Also check whether spam messages are being sent from your account. Sometimes hackers use compromised mailboxes to send scams or phishing messages to your contacts. If friends tell you they received strange emails from you, or if you see suspicious outgoing mail, that is another strong sign your account has been compromised. Finally, review your account activity and settings. Look for unusual changes such as a new signature, forwarding rules, filters, display name changes, or security settings that were altered without your permission. Hackers often make these changes so they can keep access or hide their activity. If you notice any of these warning signs, don't ignore them. Change your Yahoo password immediately, review your account recovery options, and sign out of other devices if possible. You should also enable two-step verification and check your connected devices and app permissions. The sooner you act, the better chance you have of securing your account and preventing further unauthorized access. So to quickly recap, the biggest signs of a hacked Yahoo Mail account are unknown sent emails, login alerts from unfamiliar devices, changes to your recovery info, missing emails, spam being sent from your inbox, and unusual account setting changes. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.